Hello everybody. Today I have a very special review for you. It is Truth-isit magazine. First of all, let me tell you that this is an excellent product that has helped me. I definitely made an excellent purchase. The best of all is that you can ask questions or clarify your doubts at any time. The emag will work on PC/Mac, iPads and Androids, which includes smartphones. On the smaller devices you can install an app for my emag to view in full screen. This will also give your own library. This magazine is full of truth and paranormal type articles, which I see as the hub for this type of information, as there is much going on in our world at the moment. There are 62 pages, which includes video interviews, real photos of dragons, elves and more, other people's articles on the energy wave now hitting the earth, star beings and more. My magazine is available for instant use after payment. Place your order today with confidence. If you put this product to the test for 30 days and do not see the results, or if you think that this product has not helped you, you can request a 100% money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose. Before buying Truth-isit magazine, I looked for a discount. And finally I got it. If you want to have the same discount, visit the link that is in the description below this video.